Here's a WordPress website using a default theme. Notice the header is just plain text with no proper navigation or branding. To fix that, let's head over to the WordPress dashboard. Under Master Addons, you'll find the Theme Builder option. This is where you can create custom templates for every part of your website: header, footer, comment, single post, archive, search, and even your 404 page. Let's start by creating a custom header. Click on Add New Template, give it a name, and select Header as the template type. You can see all the available template types right here in the dropdown. Now, hit Edit with Elementor, and it will open up the Elementor editor where you can design your header exactly the way you want. You can use your Elementor saved template if you are using our Template Kit feature to import a full template kit and ready your website within minutes. But if you are not, then you can use our pre-built header template design to import a ready-made header template by clicking on the Master Addons icon. Just click on Headers, and all available nav menu style will appear. For this one, I am importing the first item. Here's our header taking shape. We've got the Cliro logo on the left and a full navigation menu with links to Home, About, Blog, Contact Us, and a Call to Action button. You can customize every element, adjust the logo, set a wrapper link, and style the navigation menu using the Elementor panel on the left. Once you're happy with the design, publish it. And just like that, your website now has a professionally designed custom header replacing the default one. The best part? This header automatically appears on every page of your site. Whether you navigate to the Services page or the Contact Us page, the header stays consistent across the entire website. Now, let's head back to the Theme Builder to create a footer. From the Elementor menu, click Exit to WordPress, and you're back in the Theme Builder dashboard. Click on the Footer tab, then Add New Template. Give it a name, make sure Footer is selected as the template type, and this time, toggle the activation switch to On. This tells Master Addons to apply this footer across your entire site. Then click Edit with Elementor. Elementor loads up again for the footer template. Just like header, we can import footer from Master Addons template library, or if you are using Template Kit, then import it from your saved template. For this video, I'm going to use the Master Addons template library. Again, click on the Master Addons icon, wait a second, then click on Footer. Again, I'm using the first footer design to import. Then for me, I'm going to remove the subscribe option, or you can use any CRM shortcode here to configure the subscription. Here's our footer design. It has a call to action section at the top saying, "Ready to take your business to the next level?" with a request free demo button. Below that, we've got the Cliro branding, quick links, support links, a newsletter subscription area, and social media icons. You can customize all of this right inside Elementor. After publishing, let's preview the site. Scroll down, and there it is. Your custom footer is now live, appearing beautifully at the bottom of every page. Check the home page. Custom header at the top, custom footer at the bottom. Navigate to the Contact Us page. Same header, same footer. Everything is perfectly consistent. Back in the Theme Builder, you can see both our header and footer templates are published and active. Now, notice these other tabs here: Single, Comment, Archive, Search, and 404 page. In the same way that we just created a custom header and footer, you can create a custom search page, a 404 error page, and different archive page templates, all designed with the Elementor editor. The process is exactly the same. That's the power of the Theme Builder feature by Master Addons. Full control over every part of your WordPress theme without writing a single line of code.